Hey cookies, if you've ever questioned how much I love you guys, today you will know the answer. I am sharing my secret homemade barbecue sauce recipe with you. So, let's make it. In my saucepan, first I'm going to add in the ketchup, some brown sugar, my spices, some onion powder, garlic powder, and a dash of Cajun seasoning. Now some good old molasses. Pour that in there. Y'all remember that song? Blackberry molasses. So, okay, I'm not going to sing for y'all. Pour that in. Some liquid smoke. You can use whatever flavor you like. It comes in various flavors, but I'm using hickory and we're going to put in about that much. Now bring on the W sauce. You know I can't say that word. Worcestershire. Y'all know. A little splash of apple cider vinegar. Gotta have that Creole mustard. This stuff is something special. This is optional, but lastly, I'm going to pour in some good old bourbon. This sauce is completely customizable, especially with the bourbon part. You can put orange juice, orange zest, pineapple juice, or even apple juice, Hennessy, whatever, make it your own. But we're going to give it a good stir. Whoops, almost forgot the fresh cracked black pepper. Stir that in. Hey, this is what you don't do. I had that heat jacked up way too high. That stuff was popping me all in my forehead. Don't do this. Just keep the heat nice and low. Bring it to a nice simmer like that. When you see the bubbles, you know it's right. Allow it to simmer uncovered for 35 minutes, and then cookies, you will have my special barbecue sauce. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, be blessed.